Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be showcasing the top 10 new amazing Woodpeckers tools for woodworking that you can buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each model's features and benefits. Let's get started. Woodpeckers TS122 Woodworking T-Square Ruler. The Woodpeckers TS122 Woodworking T-Square Ruler is a precision tool crafted from machined aluminum in Strongsville, Ohio. Featuring a 12-inch blade with laser engraved scales accurate within 0.004 inches, it ensures precise measurements for woodworking tasks. The built-in scribing guide with 1mm holes drilled every 1/16 inch allows for easy marking along stock edges. Its innovative beam design with support lips provides superior stability, preventing tipping during use. This T-square includes built-in 1/4 inch holes on 1-inch centers for shelf pin layout and features beveled edges that allow scale markings to sit flush against your workpiece. Ideal for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, each unit undergoes rigorous inspection to guarantee durability and reliability, backed by Woodpecker's commitment to quality craftsmanship. Woodpeckers M2 Box Clamps. The Woodpeckers M2 box clamps are essential for achieving flawless 90-degree joints in woodworking projects. Made from durable polycarbonate, these clamps ensure precise alignment and tight, square corners for box and case assembly. Their innovative low-profile wedge system accommodates various stock thicknesses from 1/4 inch to a full inch, maintaining consistent pressure across joints. These versatile clamps can be used flat, on a workbench or handheld, offering flexibility in application. Perfect for butt joints, miters, dados, and more, they feature a molded scale for easy alignment and include open ends for unrestricted nailing or screwing. Whether for glue-ups or pocket hole joinery, Woodpeckers M2 box clamps simplify woodworking tasks with their ergonomic design and reliable performance. Woodpeckers Delve Square. The Woodpeckers Delve Square is a multifunctional woodworking layout tool that combines precision with versatility. Made from aluminum and crafted in the USA, this 3.5-inch square features a range of innovative features. It includes a 1/4 inch offset for easy mortise and tenon layout on standard 3/4 inch stock, along with setup blocks for consistent drill press or router bit depth adjustments. Scribing holes ensure parallel lines, while angle markings allow for precise cuts and layout, including 22:1/2 degrees for octagonal shapes. A self-centering drill bit hole simplifies locating centers on 3/4 inch stock, and it aids in table saw alignment for accurate bevel rips. The Delve Square is a versatile addition to any woodworking shop, designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency in various layout and measurement tasks. Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide. The Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide is a portable precision tool designed for drilling perfectly perpendicular holes up to 2 inches in diameter without needing a drill press. Made from stainless steel, it features a 1/2 inch chuck with sealed ball bearings and a quick release fitting, compatible with both cordless and corded drills. The base includes laser engraved center lines for accurate hole placement and a V-groove for drilling round stock safely. A versatile fence adjusts along stainless steel guide rods, offering stability and flexibility in various woodworking applications. Made in the USA, each Autoline drill guide undergoes meticulous machining and inspection in Strongsville, Ohio. Woodpeckers Precision Carpenter Square. The Woodpeckers Precision Carpenter Square is a CNC machined aluminum tool, not stamped or molded, ensuring lasting accuracy for both construction and fine woodworking tasks. This 6-inch square features inch graduations and precise 45 and 90-degree angle markings. It boasts a beefy shoulder for stability during assembly checks and marking lumber, all in a vibrant Woodpeckers red anodized finish for durability and visibility. Proudly crafted in Strongsville, Ohio, this square exemplifies Woodpecker's commitment to precision and quality craftsmanship. Woodpeckers Tools SGWP Saw Gauge. The Woodpeckers SGWP Saw Gauge and Alignment Tool is essential for achieving precise root fence and saw blade alignments in woodworking. It automatically adjusts to fit miter slots of various widths, ensuring smooth movement and accurate measurements. Featuring a dial indicator with 1/1000th of an inch graduations and a rotation counter, it guarantees exact setups for flawless cuts. Made in the USA, this tool includes a lockable case for secure storage and is engineered to meet the highest standards of accuracy and reliability in woodworking operations. Woodpeckers HEXSCALE Rule. The Woodpeckers HEXSCALE Rule combines versatility and precision in a 12-inch/300 meters aluminum ruler designed for woodworking. Featuring both left-to-right and right-to-left measuring capabilities, this tool includes inch and metric graduations along with a centering scale for effortless locating of board centers. Ideal for woodworkers transitioning between measurement systems, it includes a stop for repetitive marking tasks, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in layout work. Woodpecker's USPT Parting Tool. The Woodpecker's parting tool revolutionizes wood turning with its carbide fluted insert, offering crisp and clean narrow parting cuts. Utilizing nano-grain carbide technology, the insert provides durability comparable to high-speed steel without the need for sharpening. With a blade designed to prevent burning, it ensures precise cuts in various wood densities, from softwoods to dense tropicals. The tool's ergonomic design, inspired by classic thin-curved parting tools, enhances control and comfort, making it a reliable choice for woodturners seeking consistent cutting performance without maintenance. Woodpecker's ENGLE Angle. The Woodpecker's ENGLE simplifies angle bisecting for precise mitered corners in woodworking. Crafted from premium aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, this 6-inch tool accommodates angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees, adapting effortlessly to both inside and outside corners. Designed with a modern twist on traditional angle dividers, it features an extended handle and a threaded knob for enhanced usability. Ideal for mitering trim in existing structures, it ensures accuracy in complex angle calculations, making it a dependable companion for professional woodworkers aiming for flawless trim carpentry results. Woodpecker's Hook Stop. The Woodpecker's Hook Stop transforms Woodpecker's woodworking rules into convenient hook rulers, facilitating precise measurements without straining to keep the zero end flush with the board edge. Designed to fit seamlessly onto all Woodpecker's woodworking rules, except the 6-inch model, it includes screws for easy installation. This accessory enhances workflow efficiency by securely hooking onto boards, allowing woodworkers to maintain accuracy and comfort, especially over longer measurements. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you find the perfect new Woodpecker's tools for your woodworking and minimalist travel needs. See you next time.